Soccerade fans have taken to social media to air their frustrations over the annoying vuvuzelas that were played by the audience. The Longhorns have caused havoc as many have found it distracting whilst trying to watch the football. One fan took to Twitter to write, "I thought he'd watch Soccerade as sometimes it's a good laugh. But whose idea was it hand out them annoying vuvuzelas? The absolute worst noise when trying to watch football, man. Guess I need a plan B. Sick," another added. "Can someone please take the vuvuzelas away from the crowd? FFS who the actual F through those were a good idea. BC they need sacking instantly. Sick, I wanna turn this Soccerade off already, with those fuck vuvuzelas." Sick, Carol Vorderman launches attack on disgusting, robbing Boris Johnson as he quits as MP. Hosts Alex Scott, 38, and Dermot O'Leary, 50. Could barely be heard over the loud sounds. Whilst it's unconfirmed whether fans brought the horns from home or if they were shared by the venue, many called for a ban on the item. Soccerade return this year with a star-studded cast as England 11 face Rest of the World 11. A crowd of up to 75,000 returned to Old Trafford to watch their favourite stars support and raise money for UNICEF. Don't miss. Loose women star Jane Moore fumes Britain is not the place it used to be. Latest, Holly Willoughby changed and I no longer know her, former co-star claims. Updates, Carol Vorderman launches attack on disgusting, robbing Boris Johnson. Latest, speaking before kickoff, Dermot shared why he enjoyed the game. "The great thing about Soccerade is that you have these incredible moments that are punctuated by these wonderfully informative and heartfelt films that give you the backdrop as to why we're doing it." He added, "But then you get these crazy moments on the pitch that you can never have, and that's the great thing about live TV. Whenever anyone says, anything can happen live, it normally means they don't want anything to happen." The This Morning host and BBC Radio 2 presenter has hosted the event since 2010. This year's game features footballers Jill Scott from the Lionesses as captain and former Manchester United star Gary Neville. Other players include Sir Mo Farah, actor Tom Hiddleston, Liam Payne and EastEnders star Danny Dyer, who caught the attention of fans thanks to his fuller mustache. The Rest of the World team features celebs including athlete Usain Bolt, boxer Tommy Fury and YouTuber Nico.
Now take